Black excellence in healthcare. Here are 5 powerful pioneers that you should know something about. The first is going to be Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler. She was the first African American female to practice medicine in the United States, and she began to practice in 1864. She set the groundwork for African Americans entering the healthcare industry, and because of her, this is why you see African American females practicing medicine now. She also wrote the first book that was a guide to how to take care of your own health, and this has set the way that we actually educate our patients today. Number 2, Dr. Charles R. Drew. He is the reason that we have blood banks and blood donations today. He created and set the groundwork for how we transfuse blood and save blood and store it as plasma. So the next time that someone you know is getting a blood transfusion, think of Charles R. Drew. Despite him coming up with this incredible technique, he experienced a lot of segregation and racism. He is the reason why we had life-saving measures beginning in World War II. So think about Charles R. Drew. Number 3, NASA's hidden figure, Marie M. Daley. Did you know that an African American woman is the reason we know the connection between our diet and heart disease? In the 1950s, her research helped pave the way for modern day cardiology and how we counsel our patients about their high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and the connection to heart disease and heart issues. So every time you're eating your diet or you're thinking about a heart healthy diet, think about Marie M. Daley. Number 4, Dr. Daniel Hale Williams. Imagine being the first person to perform open heart surgery. Well, that was Dr. Daniel Hale Williams. He was the first to perform open heart surgery on a patient who was stabbed in the chest. And he set the groundwork for open heart surgery techniques that we still practice today. So if you know of anybody who's ever had a heart injury or needed open heart surgery, you have Dr. Daniel Hale Williams to thank. Also, Dr. Daniel Hale Williams was the first to open the first African American founded hospital in the United States called Providence Hospital. This hospital was open because African Americans didn't have good access to health care, and he wanted to create access to those who were usually denied. So thank him for opening access to African Americans throughout the country. And number 5, our modern day mother of vaccines, Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett. She was one of the people on the team that founded the COVID vaccine. So when this pandemic hit, we were looking for lots of answers, and thank you to Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett, one of our modern day mothers of medicine, for protection against the COVID vaccine. So there you have it, 5 names in medicine that you should know during this Black History Month. And if you have any more questions or want to learn a little bit more about Black History Month, tune in.